Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be answering the question, where does inspiration come from? Because I'm going to show you how I color this fashion illustration inspired in an IKEA's Strandmon armchair. This one over here. Everyone knows IKEA, right? It's one of my favorite furniture companies. Not just because the Scandinavian style they base their range, but also the humbleness of their origins. So here you can see the pencil sketch I made, and I'm going to start by coloring the skin, just to have a little base, but then slowly you will understand why I made this figure the way it is. Because we're talking about inspiration, I want to concentrate on the function of the chair. What is this chair for? And you can easily see that it's just a nice piece of furniture that is meant to be for sitting down in relaxation. But you can also see that it has a really strong structural shape. So that's why the silhouette I've drawn, yes, she is sitting down and relaxed, but not so much, as she can maybe be a little bit aware of what is happening in her surroundings. So that's the whole idea. My inspiration comes from colors and textiles as well. So that's why I decided to give this lady a pop of fuchsia color on the blouse. The color fuchsia for me represents the feeling of being bold and audacious, just as this armchair has been over the years since its first release in 1950s, setting the example with the many colors and the patterns we have seen so far. Inspiration comes from shapes, and we can't deny that those curvy lines on the wings of the chair and the arms are pretty unique, so I start to add those little details of my drawing, like in her hairdo, for example, just to resemble those mountain shapes, and to create a little bit of movement and freedom on her outfit. I'm going to draw a fun skirt, maybe made of loose straps, kind of like straps of different heights, and it could be reds and oranges, some like really bright colors, just like this. Inspiration can also come from details, and in this example I'm coloring one of the details of the chair that immediately took my mind when I saw it: the shoes as the legs of the chair, because ironically these are the heels of the chair as well. So that's what I'm trying to recreate in here. And now I'm adding some black pois pantyhose so just to add a little bit of mystery to the character, I start defining the lines with the black fine liner I always use, because it's in the details where we can find the beauty, where we can increase the contrast and highlight shapes. And as you can see here, I'm using the thicker lines just to help exaggerate these curvy shapes that we have here. Inspiration comes from feelings, from a moment in life, a situation we feel connected to, or even an energy we feel inside us or among us. The feeling I got from this illustration is that of a cozy date at night, willing to share wonderful thoughts and listen to amazing possibilities, and a place where the music plays with candle lights and you can just dance and dream the whole night. Sometimes feelings can make you design things you've never imagined, and those feelings can then mutate and evolve with time. I believe inspiration can also come from past, present, and future feelings, connected to those people you love, connected to those precise moments in life. The inspiration comes and goes, especially for an artist. There is always the fear of losing it forever or not being able to express the way we do. That's why we should train our brain to keep it alive and maintain it every day in our lives. Getting curious, getting excited, getting inspired. I hope you liked this video and got a little bit inspired as well. Please remember to subscribe, share the videos if you like, and click the notification bell for more inspiration videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.